How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off professional mode on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings and activity center. And now from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as creator tools and controls. So simply tap on that. And now here under this option, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as switch account type. So just tap on it, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on switch to personal account. And here once you do that, a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, just tap on switch to personal account, and that's it. That's how you can turn off professional mode on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.